Good morning and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, Piedmont Triad International Airport and home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Scott Stanley and today we're here to show you November 919 Charlie, a 2004 BEECHCRAFT A36 Turbo-Normalized Bonanza. November 919 Charlie only has 1,365 hours since new. The Continental IO 550 300 horsepower turbo-normalized engine only has 548 hours since overhaul by PowerMasters with Millennium cylinders in 2013. You also have turbo GAMI injectors. The Hartzell 3-blade hot prop only has 648 hours since overhaul. With factory air conditioning and 74 gallons of usable fuel, you can cruise a long distance in November 919 Charlie. November 919 Charlie has complete logs and no damage history. The paint is in original nice condition and is DeSoto white with burgundy metallic and light saddle stripes. As you know, everyone loves the big double cargo doors of the A36 Bonanza. It makes it easy to load passengers and cargo and take advantage of the 1,287 pounds of useful load. November 919 Charlie also has the 4,000 pound gross weight STC. It's currently configured in club seating. You can easily reverse the middle road where everyone faces forward, or as you can see here, can remove a seat for more leg room or cargo in the back. And that's simply done by lifting a bar and pulling two pins and the seat comes out. The A36 Bonanza has a large and comfortable cabin area. I'm 6'2" and have plenty of leg room. The interior of November 919 Charlie is in good condition. The beige leather seats, headliner, and sidewalls are all in good shape. You'll enjoy oxygen, shoulder harnesses, and headset jacks in all 6 seating positions. Come take a look at this well-equipped instrument panel. You have a nice IFR avionics package, a PS Engineering PMA 7000B audio panel, Garmin 530 WAAS GPS Navcom, Garmin 430 GPS Navcom non-WAAS, Stratus ESG ADSB in and out, Garmin GLD 69 XM weather on the G396, XM music on the Garmin 396, a BFG WX 500 Stormscope, KFC 225 Autopilot with flight director, slaved HSI, GPS steering, yaw dampener, altitude and vertical speed Preselect. Some other features you'll enjoy are factory air conditioning, 100 amp alternator system, dual control wheel and dual brakes, Bruce's custom aircraft cover, electric trim system, external power receptacle, Rosen sun visors, standby B and C alternator, approach flap system, true airspeed indicator, JPI EDM 711 with fuel flow, standby gyro pressure system, control wheel map lights, and a Garmin 396 yoke-mounted GPS. If you're in the market for a low-time turbo-normalized A36 Bonanza with complete logs and no damage history, then give us a call or come visit us in Greensboro, North Carolina. And remember, Bonanza School is included with the purchase price because we want you to feel safe and secure in your new-to-you Bonanza. I'm Scott Stanley with Carolina Aircraft. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.